news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 11 from verse 33 to verse 36. Light for the body. Nobody no light lamp and put it which part nobody can see it or cover it with bucket. Lamp put on where people can see the light when them come in. Your eye them are like lamp. And them give your body light. When you eye them good, your whole body full of light. If them bad, your body full of darkness. Make sure the light we in you are really light. If your whole body full of light and no part of it not dark, it's a go light up like when lamp light a shine upon you. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God